Damn, it's gotten so cold here recently. I got this little space heater. That way I don't have to run my big heater, and I can maybe hopefully save a couple $100 each month instead of heating my whole house the entire time. If I'm just sitting here in my living room, I can have this thing going, heat up the living room. And when I go to bed at night, I can just take it in with me to the bedroom, close the door, and get my room nice and toasty and sleep comfortably. This thing is small, but it pumps out a ton of heat. I am super surprised. I got it for $100, but I think they bumped the price down to like $80. So if you're interested in it, I left the link down below.